Leonardo DiCaprio plays the lead, you know this, and I got to meet him. And everyone told me, oh, he's so hot. Oh, he's smoking. Leonardo, woo, what a cutie. Was he as hot as I thought he'd be? And I agree, he is super hot. In fact, I snapped this photo. Take a look for yourself. Leonardo is hot. There he is.
That's hot.
That's actually Leonardo from 1462. That's Leonardo da Vinci. But hear me out. Turns out today's Leo got his name from that Leo. Is it true that even before you were born, you kicked your mom from the inside because of art? Is this true?
That's what my father tells me. They were taking a trip to Italy and they were looking at a Da Vinci painting and I started kicking wildly in the womb. And my father, being the eccentric Italian that he is, said his name will be Leonardo. See right there? In the womb, he was kicking when he saw Da Vinci. We're just glad they did not name him Mona DiCaprio.
That's right.
Although with scruff, the Mona Lisa looks good with scruff. I'm just saying. No? Am I the only one?
I don't know.